Hey, I'm here to review this calculator that I just got off of Amazon. It's a solar calculator. Notice that when I cover the solar panel, the unit turns off because there's no power. But even in low light, the thing works reasonably well. So solar is not going to be an issue. However, it also has battery backup, so you could pop a battery in, and no matter how much you cover the solar, it'll still work. So that's something pretty cool that I like about it. But once again, does not need that much light in order to work well. Another thing that I like about this is that it's the numbers are nice and huge. So if you have old cruddy eyes that can't see some fine print, this is a nice huge 12-digit display that shows things relatively easily. Another thing is the build quality of this seems reasonably good. It's fairly sturdy. You know what? For under $10, you really can't complain about the build quality here. Anyway, that's pretty much where everything I like about this pretty much stops. The way it functions as a calculator, as far as I'm concerned, is horrendous. It doesn't follow basic rules of math, and what I'm talking about is order of operations. 5 plus 6 times 10, even without the parentheses, everybody knows that's 65 because multiplication comes before addition. So you would do 6 times 10 first, which is 60, plus 5, which is 65. However, this just does it straight across. If I say, what is 5 plus 6 times 10? It's going to tell me 110. It's adding 5 and 6, getting 11, and then multiplying by 10, which is not right. If you ask your phone what's 5 plus 6 times 10, Google will tell you that it's 65. If you put in many other calculators, what's 5 plus 6 times 10, you'll get 65. This just does it straight through like someone in the first, second grade would do. By the time you hit third grade, you should know about order of operations. It does not do it. What's worse is that it doesn't come with any parentheses. So if you did have to do this and you knew about parentheses, it doesn't allow you to put in parentheses because there are none. As far as directions, hey, maybe there's a way I could switch it over. Well, I don't know if I could switch it over because there are no directions that came with this. On the box, it shows you a few operations, and it shows you what numbers to hit to get those operations. Notice that the first one here, 12 plus 34 times 5 divided by 2. Well, there are parentheses there. That's because it's doing that first. If you were to do it without parentheses, proper PEMDAS would do 34 times 5. These guys know to put the 12 and 34 in parentheses because that's what their calculator is going to do. Take those parentheses out and the answer is different. However, you can't do proper PEMDAS with this calculator. Something else that shows you how to do is, hey, calculate the square root of 4. Hit 4, square root, and it's going to give you an answer of 2. Well, that's interesting. Where is the square root button? This calculator does not have one. So, a lot left to be desired about this calculator. It does have M plus, M minus, MRC, and, GT and MU buttons on it. Doesn't exactly show you how to use them. And since, most of you may know how to use memory keys in here. However, it should come with directions, and there are none in the box. It just comes with this. This is not enough, especially if you're just learning to use a calculator or not super familiar with one. So I'm particularly disappointed with this. However, it works. If you need a cheap, $10 calculator, I guess it'll work, but there are better options out there, even for less than $10. Anyway, I hope this helps someone. Have a great day. It does work, though, not the way I think it should.